Hi guys. Okay, today I want to talk about haversack organization. Now when I developed the Red Hawk, it was to have multiple pockets available so that I could easily and quickly designate my gear into a specific place. When I flip it open toward me, because I'd be wearing the strap, this top pocket would open up toward me and I'd have certain gear I'd carry in that. And then in the top pocket here, I would put additional things, like in this case, I got my spork in here, and I got my sharpening stone repair kit, extra pocket knife, that type being my little first aid kit. And then here in the next lower one, I have my little quick grab fire kit. Between those, I've got most of that covered, but that's not the end of it. And maybe you don't have a Red Hawk haversack. And so you want to organize your kit. Well, you're in luck because there are a lot of things available, a lot of them very, very cheap and easily gotten on Amazon. And that is like something like this. Now, this is meant to be an organizer. And I picked it up from a good friend of mine. It's got two loops here at the top where you could hang it from your neck like that and make a little neck set on it. It has a pair of molly loops on it, and it's got two pockets right here, one a little bigger than the other, perfect for putting a lighter into. And then you got a big larger pocket right there. And then you have a deep body pocket, and they lined it with orange. I thought that was cool. I could somehow turn this out and use it as a signaling device, put it on my hand. And then on the front, there is an additional pocket, and again, it's got that yellow in there, that hunter orange in there. I like that. And then there's a pocket right here in the front, as well as a Velcro patch where you could stick something to it or stick it to something on you if there was that type of attachment. These are great organizers for going in your haversack to organize your gear with. Now in mine, I already carry that my niece, Trinity at Made Ready Gear, makes pouch. This pouch is used as a cordage pouch. I've talked about this many times in my videos, but it allows me to organize and get all my cordage in one place. And got a nice big loop on it. Got belt loops where I can hang it on my strap of my haversack should I need to index it quickly, or I'm going to be doing a lot of cordage in and out where I'm going to tie something else, untie the first thing. You get my point. Cordage organization, and it's got a loop right there I can put a carabiner on or a saw shackle to hook it to my belt or something if I'm not going to be using my haversack. Small little things like that to pull out for a first aid kit, to pull out for a navigation set, to have my compass, my markers, my protractors, my map piece, all of it organized. I can just pull it out. Little bitty pouches like this would be the way to go with that. A small fire kit, a navigation kit, a first aid kit, whatever. The sky's the limit. It's your imagination. It's your kit. It's what you think it should be. But the most important thing is it keeps all of the important things together. So that when I go digging in my haversack, I don't have to dig out everything looking for the lighter or looking for the pencil or the protractor or the compass or the paste beads or whatever. It's right there where I can just pull it out and then bring it out here to the outside for a quick utility pouch. So I can organize my stuff as I'm going on the fly. Pull it and put it back. Think about this in your kit. How to organize your kit. And these little bitty pouches are a big advantage in that. Don't go overboard. Don't have it just solid full of little pouches. But take the most critical thing that you want to be able to pull out. In my case, it was cordage. Or say a fire kit. I got a big leather fire kit in there you already know about. Being able to pull it out and pull this out even in the dark. If I can't see, I can run my hand in my bag and every one of my pouches feels different. So I can tell what it is even in the dark. That is a distinct advantage. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have, hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And my niece Trinity Sainer at MadeReadyGear.com makes little pouches if you're in the market for some. I'll put her contact down there. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.